Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Halloween Shopping Special. The minis need to get ready for Halloween, so the mini on the losing side of the track will have to buy something scary at the store for the winning engine. There will be lots of scary choices to choose from.
Did he say scary? I love scary.
Let's begin with Freddie versus Yellow RHENEAS.
Spiders and bats, snakes, and a kitty. Me like kitty.
Next up, Stepney versus GATOR.
Oh! Hey, there's a little girl! Can you help me find where the cool decorations are?
You look like Sarah and you're making me angry.
I'm sorry. I don't want to make you angry, but I'll buy you for $70.
And now, James versus Thomas.
Ouch! I hope I didn't break any bones from that fall. Hey, speaking of bones, I think I landed in the right place. Check out all these bones! Ooh, a rat skeleton. I've never seen that before, and that's a big rat. Ooh, scary. That one's a cat skeleton. I feel right at home here. I'm going with that skeleton right over there. Everybody needs a good skeleton for a Halloween decoration.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Oliver versus Flying Scotsman.
Ouch! Oh, I love the fall leaves. Swinging Scarecrow for $199. Wow, that's expensive. That better be one cool decoration. Ooh, and it is. He's awesome. Oh, good thing I brought my credit card. Charge it, please.
Semi-finals time with Yellow RHENEAS versus Stepney.
Oh, what's that over there? I see a nice friendly teddy bear. Oh, come give me a hug, teddy bear.
Well, I love a good chase.
Never mind. You don't seem so friendly. Get away from me.
Here, I'm not gonna hurt ya. I just want a hug.
Somehow I don't think this teddy bear just wants a hug.
Yellow RHENEAS goes on to the finals. Who will he face? James or Flying Scotsman? Oh, nice move.
I'm not so sure about this place. It's way too scary for me. Yeah, that's enough for me. The only thing I want to see is the exit. I think I'll go over this elevator to get out of this store right away. Down, please. I want to go down. Hey, what's with this elevator? Oh my goodness! Help! Get me out of this place! I don't like it! Boy, did I pick the wrong elevator!
Final round. James versus Yellow RHENEAS.
Oh no! Yikes! This the scariest section of the store! So many scary faces. It's like a freak show around here. If a trick-or-treater came to my door with those faces, I would run away fast.
Scared James is the winner. Now that's appropriate.
I hope you like your new pet.
Hey, James, I'd like for you to meet the nice little girl I bought you. Isn't she so sweet?
Oh, James got scared away.
I got you a skeleton decoration. It looks just like me.
James, I got you a scary scarecrow, and when it's not Halloween, you can put him in your garden to scare away the crows.
Like my clothes? I got them from the farm. He's about 6 feet away from you. Straight down.
Since I heard a rumor you sleep with a teddy bear at night, I got you this friendly, nice teddy bear just for you.
I found another elevator. Hey, guy with the big feet, can you press the button for me? I'm a mini and I can't reach. Oh no, is that blood? Not again! What's with this place? Ah! Oh, where's the exit? Get me out of here!
James, I picked you out 2 faces, but you can only vote for one.
Thanks for helping us reach 20,000 subscribers. If you aren't already a subscriber, click subscribe now.